Hi, welcome to my channel. It's about upcycling. I hope you like it. Hi, my name's Lily and today I will be making a bird nest. For this you'll need some stuff and then let's get on with the video. So first you need an olive oil container. First you take the olive oil container, you cut a door open, cut it all out. You can see now I have a giant hole here. So I take this straw, I'll measure it, cut it off, and then here's a little clippy thing. You just have to cut.
You gotta cut it all the way down, Lily.
And then it's a lid cling onto it, so the bird won't hurt itself when it flies in. We'll just gotta click this on. There. Then take your other half. Sorry, I put it across my table. And then you cut it here again. And then it should be the same size as this cut or this cut. I'm going to use it on this cut. And then the bottom and the side you'll need another straw for. But I'm just going to stick with these straws. And then you flip it over like that. And then you take your nesting materials. First you want to cut little pieces of it. So I'm doing this quickly, so I'll have to...
Tell us what kind of nesting materials you might use.
Yarn, ribbon, garbage, feathers, moss.
Stop, no garbage. Yarn, ribbon, hair.
Moss sticks, paper, and that's pretty much it.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm just making little strands to go into the nesting. And then you just cut them out. And then you're supposed to just cut them. You just cut them out basically. And then keep cutting until you're out of thread on this little line. And then you should have two long pieces. And then you can just put strand by strand in here. And also take your moss and branches and stuff.
Gonna dump that out and show us what's in there?
And here's what's in it. There's also some birch bark in here. And you could take some cotton and toss the cotton in there.
Where are you getting your cotton from?
Pillow.
So we're recycling an old pillow?
Yes.
Do you want to say that aloud?
We're recycling an old pillow.
And how are we doing that?
We're just cutting a small corner off, and then we're taking the stuffing from inside of it. Then just plop all that in. And then add some fake feathers, if you have some, and the two longer pieces. And then you can add this, the piece of stuff, and then you can toss in some moss and stuff like that, and the twigs.
So what all are you using in here?
Twigs, yarn, moss, birch bark.
What other things could we upcycle from our house?
Maybe pillow, and if you have dogs, this is probably a problem with you too, eating your clothes. Yes, my dogs ate one of my sweaters, but that's okay because now I can put it on my video. So, yeah, and then just take
So what else are you gonna use? Maybe some hair from the hairbrush?
hair from the hairbrush, lint from your washing machine. Then
From
you
your
can-
dryer?
Or dryer. Which probably dryer.
Strips of paper.
Yes, and strips of paper. And you can add some different colored yarns so the birds can have like a festive nest or something. Just toss it in. They'll make it. And then plop it in the back. And if you want to add more thread and ribbon and stuff, just cut some more thread and ribbon up.
Should we maybe hot glue those?
Yes, and hot glue the straws on too. It would stick better. That's why I have a hot glue gun over here and some rods. La-dee-doo-da. You should leave a few pieces longer so the birds can weave it around their nest to help stick it together. And then take your hair from your hairbrush or whatever hair you're using, or len, and add some ribbon and stuff like that.
So recycling your
Ribbon and
craft, some of your craft stuff.
Yes, so recycling your craft stuff and stuff. Make sure you have heavy duty scissors because this stuff is hard to cut.
What other kind of containers could you upcycle for the nesting box?
If you're doing a small birds, you could use an empty plastic water bottle. But if you're doing I would suggest using an olive oil bottle though.
Or maybe a milk jug?
Or a milk jug. They're the same size. I don't drink milk out of a milk jug. So while I let this heat up, I can cut some more moss and stuff if I can find an outlet.
You might need adult supervision for this one, right?
Yes, adult supervision for this one for sure. Then remember how I brought up my dogs to my sweater? I'll take some of this and just cut a few little strands, just a few little chunks out of it. Oh, and while I'm just talking, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And also, remember the pillow? Put some cotton from it in. And if it's getting cold, don't worry, it will be okay. And whatever bird flies into this nest and calls it home, you can watch the bird if you hang it up in the spring. Here where I live in Canada, Ontario, it's very cold. It's winter now. Earlier was snowing, I believe. It was snowing earlier. So today's really chilly. And by the way, tomorrow's Christmas for me. And it is very hard to cut this felt. I don't know how my dogs got through it.
No, Ash.
And if your heavy duty scissors aren't working, you can always use a pair of stronger scissors.
Ash, get out. Get.
And excuse my brother. I'll do a video with him in the future. And I have a chunk of this. I'll just toss it in. And you can always add a few more chunks of moss in. And sticks and twigs and stuff. So, yeah. And don't forget your birch bark. Lots and lots of birch bark. And your hot glue gun should be ready by now.
You might need a parent's help for this one.
And you'll definitely need parent supervision for this.